Today I'll walk you through exactly how to create milestones in ClickUp, so you can mark your most important deadlines and project achievements right inside your workspace. If you find this helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe, it really does help the channel, and let's get straight into it. Before we dive in, it's worth understanding what a milestone actually is in ClickUp. Unlike a regular task, a milestone represents a significant achievement or key checkpoint in your project. Think of it as a flag planted in your timeline. It could mark the end of a project phase, a client approval deadline, or a product launch date. What makes milestones especially powerful is how ClickUp visually highlights them. In views like the Gantt chart and the timeline, they appear as a distinct diamond shape, standing out immediately from ordinary tasks, so the whole team always knows where the critical checkpoints are. Now let's create one. Start by opening ClickUp and logging into your account. Once you're in, open the workspace that contains the project you're working on. You'll see your workspaces listed at the top of the left sidebar. Just click the right one to enter it. Next, navigate to the specific space, folder, or list where you want the milestone to live. ClickUp organizes everything in a hierarchy: workspace at the top, then spaces, then folders, then lists. So just expand the sidebar until you find the right list and click into it. Now find the task you want to convert into a milestone. If you haven't created it yet, go ahead and add a new task now. Give it a clear descriptive name so the milestone is easy to identify later. Once you have your task, hover over it and click the 3 dots that appear on the right side. This opens the task's action menu. From that menu, click Task Type and then select Milestone. The moment you do, you'll notice the task icon changes to a diamond shape, which is ClickUp's visual marker for a milestone. It will now appear highlighted in your Gantt chart and timeline views, clearly distinguished from your regular tasks. And that's all it takes. You've successfully created a milestone in ClickUp, a powerful way to keep your team aligned on what really matters. If this walkthrough helped you out, leave a like, drop a comment with any questions, and subscribe for more ClickUp tips. See you in the next one.